Hi, this is Jay Jenkins with Pearson Education. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the details of your course. And those details are like the name, the enrollment dates, or the course dates. So when you enter into a MyLab course, whether it's math, stats, or a modified mastering course, what you'll notice is you have a list of courses here. And then there's an icon, a sprocket icon. Whenever you roll over that with your mouse, you'll notice that a details word pops up. Whenever you want to edit maybe the dates to a course or the name of the course, you can always do this by clicking on the details area of the course. Once here, you'll see what details are here, and you'll notice there's an edit course details. So I'm going to go ahead and click edit course details. Once I do that, it will open up for me, and I can then go in and I can change all of this information if I want to, or I can change the dates. So let's take a look at that. So now you can see the dates are down here. So if I needed to move this enrollment period out, I could just simply click into it, move it out to the date that I would like, and then hit Save Changes. I could also change the title. I could put details in. I could make it so that other instructors can copy this course as well. I could even delete the course, but you don't want to do that unless you definitely do not want access to this course in the near future. I'm going to click Save Changes. Once you make those changes, you'll then notice that it will say editing course details, check back later. So those changes are being made on the back end, and once it's ready to go, it will be there. It'll change and it will reflect those new dates. So that's how you can make changes. The other important piece of information behind that details button is also the registration instructions. So for any course you create in the MyLab area, there is a set of instructions that are created for your students that you can, if you click on here, you can download, post to your LMS, or email out to your students. So this right here will give the students the exact information that they need in order to get into your specific course. So that's another nice feature that's always listed under the details area right next to edit course, get instructions. Then of course from semester to semester, as you want to create new courses, you can always open up the previous course, click copy this course, and then create a new course based on the old course. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a great day. Take care now.